Just when everyone was waiting for Vivo's big global reveal, the company accidentally did it themselves. Hours before the official launch, Vivo's European pricing and release details for the highly anticipated Vivo X300 and Vivo X300 Pro have been leaked, setting the internet abuzz. The X300 series, known for its cutting-edge camera performance and Dimensity 9500 power, is now confirmed to be landing in the European market, but at a higher price than expected. Still, Vivo plans to soften the blow with early bird discount codes and bundle offers, making these devices all the more tempting for smartphone enthusiasts. In this video, we're diving deep into all the juicy details, from leaked prices, accessories, battery changes, and market comparisons, to find out whether Vivo's latest flagship lineup can justify its premium price tag. Vivo has done it again. Not with new innovation this time, but by accidentally revealing everything about its upcoming Vivo X300 and Vivo X300 Pro hours before their official global announcement. According to the leaked information, Vivo unintentionally confirmed key details about the European launch, including official prices, accessories, and even launch offers, leaving very little to the imagination for tech fans awaiting the big reveal. The leak, which surfaced through Vivo's own official channels in the Eurozone, shows that both models will be significantly more expensive than their Oppo Find X9 and Find X9 Pro rivals. The standard Vivo X300 will reportedly start at €1,049, while the premium Vivo X300 Pro will carry an even higher tag, placing it firmly in the ultra-premium flagship category. That's about €50 more expensive than Oppo's newly released Find X9 series, which is priced at €999 for the base model and €1,299 for Pro. Vivo's decision to go higher on pricing seems surprising, especially considering that Oppo's models arrived earlier in the European market and have already established their presence. However, Vivo appears to be countering this with a smart marketing strategy, offering attractive launch discounts and promotional bundles to lure in early buyers. Reports suggest that Vivo will be providing multiple discount codes during the launch phase, allowing customers to reduce the overall cost of the devices when ordering directly from Vivo's official online stores or partner retailers. Moreover, the company plans to bundle the new telephoto extender kit, priced at €399, which is €50 cheaper than Oppo's comparable accessory. This kit, designed specifically for the X300 Pro, enhances its already powerful 200MP Zeiss camera setup, providing even greater optical zoom capabilities, something that photography enthusiasts will find irresistible. Speaking of cameras, both the X300 and X300 Pro continue Vivo's legacy of delivering professional-grade imaging systems co-engineered with Zeiss, a partnership that has helped Vivo establish itself as one of the best camera smartphone manufacturers in the market. The X300 Pro, in particular, features a 200MP Samsung HBB telephoto lens, a 50MP Sony LYT 828 primary sensor, and a 50MP JN1 ultrawide lens, all enhanced by Vivo's in-house Pro imaging chip VS1, promising incredible low-light performance, faster autofocus, and cinematic quality video recording. On the front, the X300 series sports a 50MP Samsung JN1 selfie shooter, capable of delivering studio-grade portraits. Moving beyond the cameras, the leak confirms that the EU variants of both phones will feature smaller batteries compared to their Chinese counterparts, a decision that might disappoint some fans. The standard X300 will come with a 5,360 mAh battery, down from 6,040 mAh in China, while the X300 Pro gets a 5,440 mAh battery, compared to 6,510 mAh in the Chinese version. Despite these downgrades, both phones retain their impressive 90W wired and 40W wireless fast charging capabilities, ensuring you can get a full charge in under 30 minutes. Interestingly, even with smaller batteries, the X300 series still beats Samsung's Galaxy S25 lineup, including the Galaxy S25 Ultra, in raw battery capacity, a fact Vivo might use in its marketing narrative. The displays remain top tier as well. Both phones sport 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panels with 120Hz refresh rates, vibrant color reproduction, and a peak brightness designed to compete with Samsung and Google's latest flagships. They also feature an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, IP68/69 water and dust resistance, and run on Android 16 with Vivo's Origin OS 6 on top, offering a smooth, customizable user experience. Powering the show is MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 chipset, a 4nm SoC engineered for flagship performance and AI-driven camera processing. Combined with up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 gigabytes of UFS 4.0 storage, the X300 series delivers lightning-fast performance and multitasking efficiency, whether you're gaming, editing photos, or recording 4K HDR video. The leaks also revealed the official EU pricing tiers. The Vivo X300 Pro with 16 gigabytes RAM and 512 gigabyte storage will retail at €1,399, while the base Vivo X300 with 12 gigabytes RAM and 256 gigabyte storage will start at €1,049, aligning them closer to Apple's iPhone 17 lineup and Samsung's Galaxy S25 series. While that may sound steep, Vivo is reportedly planning to launch these phones with introductory discount codes that can save early buyers up to €100, along with bundle promotions that include accessories like cases, chargers, and the optional Zeiss telephoto extender kit. This combination of premium pricing and aggressive launch offer shows Vivo's confidence in the X300 lineup's ability to compete against the best in the industry. It's also a strategic move aimed at positioning Vivo as a true luxury tech brand in Europe, not just a value alternative to Samsung or Oppo. For context, Czech pricing leaks earlier this week already hinted at these premium figures, and now this accidental official confirmation seals the deal. Vivo's slip-up might have spoiled the suspense, but it's also given tech enthusiasts and reviewers an early look at the company's market strategy. While the battery downgrades might raise eyebrows, Vivo seems to be compensated with superior display tech, Zeiss optics, flagship-level build quality, and some of the fastest charging speeds available on any smartphone today. From a design perspective, the X300 Pro retains the sleek, curved aesthetic Vivo is known for, coupled with premium materials and color options inspired by natural light reflection patterns. This global release also signals Vivo's renewed push to strengthen its foothold in Europe, a market traditionally dominated by Apple and Samsung. With its Dimensity 9500 chipset, advanced imaging, and competitive features, Vivo is clearly aiming to challenge the notion that premium smartphones must come from the same two brands. What's interesting is how Vivo continues to expand its pro imaging system partnership with Zeiss, bridging the gap between smartphone photography and professional-grade optics. The addition of the optional 2.35x Zeiss telephoto extender kit adds a unique twist that few competitors can match, allowing users to extend optical zoom without relying on digital cropping. Combined with the built-in 200MP telephoto lens, this setup could make the X300 Pro one of the most capable camera phones of 2025. Ultimately, while the accidental leak might have spoiled Vivo's big reveal moment, it also built massive anticipation. Fans are now eagerly waiting for official confirmation later today, where Vivo is expected to officially unveil launch bundles, discount codes, and possibly announce regional offers in countries like Germany, France, Italy, and Spain. If you're in the market for a flagship that blends top-tier hardware, Zeiss-level photography, and luxury-grade design, the Vivo X300 Pro might be the device that defines Vivo's global identity. So, before you make your next smartphone purchase, keep an eye out for the official Vivo EU launch event. Because with the right discounts, the X300 lineup could become one of the most competitive premium phones in 2025. And when it comes to exclusive tech news, breakdowns, and comparisons, you know where to find it. Right here on TechVerse, your go-to source for all things technology, innovation, and performance. If you're considering upgrading to a flagship smartphone in 2025, the Vivo X300 Pro deserves serious attention. With its Zeiss camera setup, Dimensity 9500 power, lightning-fast charging, and premium build, it's shaping up to be one of the best Android devices of the year. Make sure to watch for Vivo's official EU launch for the latest discounts and bundle offers. And as always, for more tech updates, leaks, and in-depth analysis, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for the future of tech.